What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? Do watch a tutorial video, And in today's tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can store money in Binance. So basically, Binance is not a bank, so you can't store your money on Binance. Well, actually, it is storing money, but it's in a crypto way. So if you guys don't know what this technique is called, it's calling transferring your money into the fiat currency. So fiat currency acts as a bridge between the real life currency and the crypto world. So basically, if you want to buy any crypto, you transfer your money into the fiat currency. And from that fiat, you buy crypto. And you do the vice versa if you want to sell your crypto and withdraw your money. You sell it into the fiat and you transfer that fiat into your bank. So fiat acts as a bridge between these two money, the real life and the crypto world money. So basically, if you guys want to transfer in money into your Binance account, you can't actually, transfer in dollar into your Binance. You need to transfer in that fiat currency, which is equivalent to the dollar. And the fiat currency, which is equivalent to the dollar, is USD and USDT. So if you guys want to know more about these facts, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's jump into the video again now, shall we? Now there's multiple ways to convert your real life money into fiat. So there's actually 4 ways which you guys can use in Binance. So the 4 ways are, just click on buy crypto, and over here these are the 4 ways. The first is bank deposit. Just connect your bank and transfer in money from your bank. The moment you transfer in your USD, it's going to be transferred into a crypto fiat called Tether. And for credit and debit card, it's the same. You pull your money from your credit and debit card into your Binance and it automatically gets converted into Tether. And for P2P, it's the same thing. And for third party, you want to use any software like Cash App and other stuff to transfer in money over here and it gets transferred into Tether. So for an example, let me just show you guys the credit and the debit card over here. I can click on it and on the top is USD, which means I'm using dollar to buy Tether. So right now it's Bitcoin. So if you buy it right now, you're going to be transferring your money into Bitcoin. If you want to directly buy Bitcoin, you can do that. But if you don't, just change this Bitcoin into Tether. So Tether is also known as USDT. And I choose USDT over here. I'm going to enter the amount of, dollar I want to use. So I want to, spend $50 over here. For $50, I'm going to receive 49. Some amount is taken as fee. Click and continue. It's bought. So it's that simple. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye-bye.